What's up, guys? It's Luis back at it with another unboxing. This time I'll be unboxing a package that came to me a while back ago, but I can't remember what it is. So let's get right into it. I believe it's StockX, if I'm not mistaken. I think it's the Air Jordan Oreos. I got these. Can't remember how much, but they were 180, I think. So yeah, see, got the flight Jordan box right there. Take that, throw that away. There we go. The back, the side, the front. There we go. Air Jordan 4 Retro LS Black Tech Gray Black. 190. I think I got this for 190 or 180. I can't remember, but it was cheap. So, and as you can see from StockX, they changed their card. It used to be green, now it's black. That's the information. And you got receipt for your receipt police. There you go. So yeah, I couldn't get these when they released. There they are. You can see you got StockX. Then you can verify your shoes if they're real. So it's like a silver look. The QR code. And yeah, pretty stiff leather. It's alright leather. I felt better. These came out in 2014, I believe. 2014, 15, one of those two. New. Got something here. The back heel. Your back tab. Inside of the tongue. Air Jordan upside down. Your wings right here. Rubber, not leather. Your laces. Rubber. Soft rubber. Visible air unit, you can tell right there. So these are legit. You can totally tell when it's fake. Like, yeah, these are good. They're real. You got your all your specs right there. Looking like the ice cream, you know. Good. It's a basic shoe, black and gray. Really nice. I was happy I got these. They released a while back ago. I've been wanting them, but they were going around for like $250 or something like that. And I saw them; they were going down. So happy on that. Check the other one. See the snow and things. Same as the other one. Your toe box, really stiff leather. All this leather except this, that, and the midsole. Looking new. The hang tag over here. Right there. Here. Let's open. Let's take this out. Yeah, Air Jordan. Jordan. Right there. And the tech gray. Size 10. There we go. Yeah, but it's kind of stiff, this leather. Like, I felt better. Not that soft. I thought it was gonna be softer, but it's not really soft. Like, for 190, I don't think it's worth 190, to tell you the truth. But yeah, happy to get these in my collection. and we'll see how much they actually cost. 180. Yep, I got this for 180. Free shipping. Yeah, so I got it 10 below retail. So that's good. I'm happy for that. We'll give you a 360 view. Here they are. Throw that away. Yeah, really nice shoes. Leather could be better, but I mean, it's 2014 when they released, I believe. This is kind of yellowing already. This Jumpman, some weird reason. Let me check the other one. Yeah, it is kind of yellowing. All those Jumpmans right there on the back, which is not good at all. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. This was a quick one. Peace.